What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. There's gonna be so much more videos on my car in this upcoming month because you guys already know there's gonna be a lot of changes. So if you guys didn't watch my last video, make sure you guys go watch it. I talked a little bit about it there and what my car looks like right now and just like a whole general update on my car. So make sure you guys go watch that before you watch this, I guess. But anyways, in today's video, we are gonna be test fitting my new wheels, my 3-piece wheels that I was talking about in my last video. I am so excited to do this, guys, because they look amazing and you guys are about to see here in a second. I've actually already test fitted the front wheels and they're like pretty much spot on. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already saw that. Like the fitment is perfect. It's gonna say like fender to lip. I'm hoping so. I've yet to get tires, so it's just gonna be a quick test fit just to see what my fitment is like and what I'm gonna need, because the offset, I mean the specs of these wheels are pretty aggressive, so I'm gonna need some camber arms on the back for sure, because I don't think they're just gonna fit like this. So that's the whole point of test fitting the wheels, just to see what they're gonna look like and what I'm gonna need. So here's my car at the moment. I'm on a spare. I actually got new tires for my Empires when I recently got them, and then I got a flat and I drove it with the flat and I messed up that tire. So this is my brother's car, E92 335i full M Sport package, Alpine white, the 335 IS wheels. I believe they're like style 313s. They look really good on the car, as you guys can see. LCI taillights. This thing's freaking beautiful. And my favorite thing about this car, let me show you guys. When you look at that 6-speed manual, guys, you don't find these too often, especially with the packages that it has. It's pretty much fully loaded, full M Sport package, navigation, heated seats, has literally everything that you want in like in a BMW. This thing's freaking amazing. So I'm going to back this thing up real quick. I love this car. Put this thing in reverse. Let's get this thing out of here. That should be okay. We still have his E46 right here that we're probably gonna start building for the channel and start bringing this thing back to life. As you guys see, the clear coat is pretty much damaged. The paint is damaged all around. It's fading everywhere. It needs a lot of, not a lot of work, but for the most part, like some TLC, and this car will look fantastic with some new wheels and some nice fitment, some coilovers. It'll look really good. So we're probably gonna start modifying this thing and bringing it back to life, because we're gonna sell it, but yeah, this thing's pretty nice. 5-speed manual, topaz blue. This thing's awesome. So we might start building it on the channel, so be on the lookout for that. I might make a full-length video about this car very soon, and yeah, we'll get into building that car later on. But today's focus is the E90 and test fitting the new wheels. I actually have some BBS center caps for my new wheels, so yes, they are BBS's. Pretty much the wheels that I have are OEM BMW wheels, but they're made by BBS. They were 2-piece and they were converted into 3-piece. So I had to get some Evo 9 MR center caps, and I'll explain that for you guys right now. You guys are probably really confused as to why I had to get some Evo center caps, but pretty much BBS doesn't make the center cap size for OEM BMW wheels. I think they're like 54 millimeters. I'm not too sure, but they are definitely a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna have to like machine some type of like piece of like metal into the center board that's gonna accept these BBS caps, and that's like the only way that they're gonna fit. I was talking to some guy on Instagram and that's how I know this. So I'm gonna test fit these and see if I can figure something out, and I'll get back to you guys on that. I'm probably not gonna finish this today, but we're just gonna be testing the wheels on the E90 to see what they look like and all that fitment stuff. So I guess it's time to show you guys the wheels. I'm so excited. Let's go. Here we go. Damn, it looks so good. But anyways, about the wheels, like I was saying earlier in the video, these are OEM BMW wheels. I got these from E46 and they are style 42s. Originally these were 17x8, and I sent these wheels out to VR Wheels to have them rebuilt to 18s. So these are now 18-inch wheels. So they're 18x10 in the front, 18x11 in the back. I think I'm running like a 3.5-inch lip in the front and 4.5 in the back. And the finish that I went with on these wheels were brush cleared faces. I'm not entirely sure if the camera does pick it up that well, but I really hope it does, because the detail on the brushed finished is absolutely insane. It's probably one of my most favorite finishes that you could do on a wheel. I went with gold hardware, polished lips, and then on top of that, my black BBS center caps. I think everything is just gonna complement each other, and especially the new color that I have coming for my car. I think everything is just gonna match so well, and it's gonna look really good. So with that being said, let's test fit these wheels on the car and see what it looks like. This is my most favorite thing about my bags, guys. Look at that. Monster truck mode. Alright, this side's to 0. Okay, so this is completely aired out now. I'm definitely gonna need some camber arms. There's no way in hell I'm gonna be able to run this without any camber. So now what I'm gonna do is slap on the front one and probably put 40 or 50 psi on the right hand side bags to try to keep the car at level, because the 4x4 is pretty big if you compare it to a tire. So I'm curious to see what the fitment is gonna look like in the front while I have the rears on. Got the front one on. This is what it's gonna look like. Aside from that wheel gap, the reason why I believe there is a wheel gap right now is because of my sway bar end links or the 4x4 that I have underneath the wheel right now. It might be making it sit too high, but at the same time I did try to level it out. Like I said, I put like 50 psi on the right hand side bags, and the left hand side is completely aired out. As you guys can see, the rear is pretty much just sitting flush with the wheel. And yeah, so I'll probably try extending my sway bar end links, because I haven't really sure right now. And if that doesn't do it, I'll probably just remove them, or like I said, it just might be the 4x4 that I have under there. So I'll have all of this stuff dialed in very soon, once I get like my camber arms and my tires, and then that's when we're really gonna know what I need to do exactly. Right now we're just kind of guessing things out right now, but it looks really good. I'm super happy with how the wheels came out, and I think it's gonna look really good on the car. I'm really happy with the finish that I went with on these wheels. Brush cleared faces, gold hardware, polished lips, and just the sizes that I went with, they're like perfect for my car, and it's gonna look so freaking good. I can't wait to begin, you know, changing everything on this car. It's gonna have a complete makeover. I might start unwrapping this thing next week. I'm not even sure, guys. My mind has been all over the place about this. I don't know if I want to dial in my fitment first and then unwrap the car, or wrap the car first and then dial in my fitment so I don't have to do all that extra work afterwards. I don't know. It's gonna be like a last minute decision. So maybe next week I'll have a video of me unwrapping my car, as much as it's gonna hurt me, because my car's gonna look ugly for a little bit, because my front bumper's unpainted. You know, my hood has body work done from the car accident, and my right hand side fender is shaved down a little bit. What else? My rear bumper's unpainted, my door's crashed, but I have a new silver door, so that doesn't really matter. And also, I don't know if my wrap is gonna damage my paint of any kind, so it might look ugly for a little bit, but it's gonna be worth it. The look is gonna look really good. I think you guys are gonna like it, or you guys are gonna really miss the red. I think I'm gonna miss the red too, but I think change is always good, and we're gonna make this thing look good regardless. I'm never gonna make this thing look not good, you know. You guys already know me. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to test it with my wheels, just to see what I was working with and see what I need. And by the looks of it, you know, we for sure need camber arms. Everything on the front is perfect. The fitment is like spot on. I'm running maxed camber on my airlift camber plates, and it's pretty much perfect. If you guys were to picture this aired out, it'd be pretty much spot on with the fender to lip. So the front is perfect. Rear needs the camber arms for sure. There's way too much lip sticking out over there. I'd pretty much be sitting on the tire, like I said. So we're gonna be getting some camber arms very soon, and then we'll get the tires and get everything situated. On that note, that's gonna end this video today, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I hope you guys really like the wheels. Let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comment section. We're gonna be getting everything very soon, so be on the lookout for more videos on this channel. I'm gonna be uploading a lot in these upcoming months, because there's gonna be so many changes, like I said in my last video. So definitely stay subscribed. Make sure you guys hit the bell notifications. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, share this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Later, guys.